Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm gonna show you how to restore old YouTube layout. So first of all, go ahead to your browser and just type right here how to restore, okay, YouTube layout, right? So what you're gonna do, you're gonna see right here how to get my old layout back. Repeatedly clearing the browser cookies and loading a YouTube page will randomly switch back and forth between the old and the new site. All right, so basically what you're gonna do, clear the browser cookies, and loading the YouTube page will randomly do that for you, right? So if you want to change the YouTube display layout, go to the sign in to your YouTube Studio. From the left menu, select customization layout, and then scroll down to recommendations for viewers, and then click more settings, and then select which content type to show. If you only want to show posts from last 12 months, click done, and then click publish. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. We will definitely see you in the next one.